My name is Sion Moss, and this is Theresa Moss, and we're from Morganton, North Carolina. When Hurricane Helene came through, we didn't expect it to get in our area. We thought it'd blow past and we would be fine. And oh my gosh, the water was rising so fast. With just 5 to 6 hours, it was rising so fast. So we couldn't make any phone calls, texts weren't going through, the electricity was going out everywhere. I mean, when the storm hit, the first few days we were just frozen. We didn't know how to start. So I heard from a friend of mine that FEMA, they have some deaf employees at FEMA who can help, and I thought, please give me that number. So I got in touch with that FEMA employee and got all the help we needed. It was so great. Yes, and then after the inspector came, they came with an interpreter, and they were able to explain exactly what was going on while the inspector was there and what the inspector was writing down, and explained how he turns his report in, and then it's reviewed by FEMA. And that deaf person was a CDI, a certified deaf interpreter. So that just made things so much better because I could clearly understand what was going on and understood the process. I really suggest to others to go ahead and register too. Oh yes, all the help that we got from FEMA. They provided funding, they provided assistance to make it able for us to replace all the things in this house, everything that was needed, like drywall, painting, flooring, all of the kitchen cabinets, all of the stuff that needed to be replaced. So FEMA really helped us a lot.